here from RVGUARD. Today I'm going to teach you how to replace the 30 ampere RV female plug with simple steps. Here we go! Step 1. Gather your tools and products. Let's first go over the tools and products you will need. The key item is the female plug. And next, here are the tools: wire stripper, power drill, screwdriver, big cutter, needle nose pliers, a marker, measuring tape, scissors. Now that we've got everything ready, let's start replacing. Step 2. Remove the damaged plug. First, use a big cutter to cut the cables attached to the damaged plug. After cutting, make sure to check the wire ends clean with no signs of burning, rust, or oxidation. Next, we need to use marker to mark about 55 mm of our jacket. It's okay to mark a bit extra. Now, use the wire stripper to strip our jacket. Be gentle as you don't want to damage internal wires. And then slowly rotate the stripper around and then pull it off. Now, we have 3 different color wires. As to inner insulation, we will also use the marker. And here are the numbers: white wire 55 mm, black wire 55, green wire 35. Mark each wire with a marker. And pay attention, the number are the lengths we need to remain. Now cut the rest off. Step 3. Strip the inner wires. Now we need to strip the insulation from the inner wires. Expose 12 mm of copper on each wire. Measure and use the wire stripper to remove the insulation carefully, making sure not to damage the copper wire inside. Step 4. Assemble the new plug. Next, unscrew the new plugs of 4 case screws and pop it open. First, loosen the 2-strand relief screws on the cable clamp at the base of the plug housing. Push the cord all the way through until the stripped ends stick out. Inside, you will see 3 terminals, each labeled with black, green, and white. Twist the copper wire into 2 strands and loop them around the screws, and then use a screwdriver to tighten them. Once everything's connected, snap the heavies together, run the 4 screws back in, zip them tight with your driver. And the female plug is down! If this video really helps you a lot, don't forget to like and subscribe us. Want to learn more RV tips? Let me know in the comments. Here's RVGUARD and see you next time!